Hey, what's up guys? This week we went to MasterM again and we sold some CDs. But before I get into this, I want you guys to see the new GTI 5 trailer. I love the GTI 5 trailers. There are 3 new trailers and the links in the description below. It's in the description below because it has copyright material in it and sadly I can't show it in this video. But let's get to the business. Yes! Okay guys. I went to MasterM and I sold some CDs. And I'm going to show you guys the footage that I compiled together to show you guys how it went. But sadly guys, there was a problem because since I had the laptop, I forgot the charger at home and there was no one with a compatible charger for the laptop, so I had to go home early. But at the moment that happened, I was like, no! You know. But anyways guys, next week I'm going to tell you guys about Match Entertainment's new project, so stay tuned. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to this channel. Okay guys.